Hey, Donna, I have a manufacturing client that is very loud when I walk in. Is there anything I need to be aware of or concerned about in a loud environment?
Jennifer, that's a great question, and it's a question that we get from a lot of our clients. Some of the conversations look like this when they ask. They're always surprised to hear that there's more work that you need to do. You need to kind of check the machines, just go around your facility and check to see where some of the loudness is emitting from. And what always surprises me is when they say, well, sure, we have noise, but there's not that much noise, or it's not that noisy every single day. So I would say start by looking at all the individual pieces of machinery and then just find out maybe where the majority of the noise is coming from. And then you can start mapping out and taking a deeper look at what areas of your facility might be the noisiest. What you're trying to do is to control the noise, and then when you're controlling the noise, you're able to protect your employees from noise exposure.
Great. That's a great first step.